Walter from Tagwood BBQ. Today we will use our new model, the BBQ 06. We will start with showing how we start the fire in an easy way because we have our firebox. Usually we use a very easy way using paper towels and vegetable oil. We can use also some ranch if you have. Here we have smoking and flavor for your meat. We will start to work with our clam grill. We have our flank steak waiting for that. So we have here a flank steak from Corte Argentino, US. We will start to add some olive oil. We'll get a nice crust. We will put on our roofing grill the vegetables in order to start to get some smoke flavors. At the end will be amazing, believe me. Remember that we will work around 4 hours here, so we'll have a lot of time for play. So today we will make an organic chicken with pineapples. We will put the pineapple from the beginning in order to get smoke flavor, also some red lettuce. So we have a firewood ready. What we will do now is add some direct fire behind the flank steak in order to cook properly. You can check easily the heat with your hand. So we have here an organic chicken. We will add olive oil in order to get also a nice tan. We call in Argentina butterfly when we open the chicken on this way. Some salt. We add some lemons too. I made some cuts on the meat in order to allow the lemon go into the meat. The sensation getting the right embers is amazing. A real open fire experience on this product. We have the main grill, we have the clam grill, the roofing grill, and we will use also today the suspended grill. It's an open fire party today. We will make a salmuera or brine. So we will use rosemary, hot water, some garlic and salt, also red wine. So now we will cook the prawns into our interchangeable griddle. So first we will take out the main grill. With the shovel we will add some embers below the interchangeable griddle. So the garlic are dancing, so we will start with the prawns. We have the prawns dancing, so we will start to work with the lobsters. For that, we will use our suspended grill. So we will cook the lobster over the fire directly over our suspended grill. So you can listen how the prawns are dancing into our open fire party. Go lower to get more heat. So we take out the lobster, as you can see, and we will cook the meat over the fire on this way. So let me take out. we take out the crowns from the interchangeable grill. So we have this space empty and we will use it for our lobsters. We will use some cilantro and jalapeno sauce. For our lobsters, we will make here. We have already cilantro and we have some jalapeno and lemon and garlic. So we will make our salad. For that we will take out the radish, some green onions, turn around. We will use our tabletop brazier in order to get the lobsters the right temperature so we can eat without any problem. There. It's amazing. We have here our chicken after the open fire party, so we will see who will test. Homemade chimichurri, that is amazing. What do you think? Do you want to try? Have already 5 hours open fire party, but you can see the results. We have here an amazing frank steak. And what do you think? After 5 hours, check this.